Yo guys, what's up? Welcome back for the daily options trade. Today we're gonna be trading some options. Hopefully make some money here. First look at Disney. My gains have been curtailed due to the market volatility. As predicted, the volatility was about due for a spike. So we can see this Norwegian Cruise Lines is far out of the money now. Still worth $1, so I'm not going to do anything with it yet. TBT, still kind of stable. Rates haven't moved much. Looks like it dropped a little, so the call is out of danger, but looks like that puts in trouble maybe. And the other day, we put some insurance on, which was a good move for this account. I should have did it for all the accounts, but I didn't. You can see I sold the put at 9.5 in April. And I bought a long call, just one, unfortunately, in April. So that call has doubled in value almost. 5 to 10 cents, big deal. And since volatility went up, that put is now worth the same somehow. It's further away, so the volatility increased. But the big one is out in June. Right, you can see I had a put. I had 3 puts at $10, which is $10.45 currently, and the calls. So it's not really helping my P&Ls a lot yet until the volatility really spikes. So anyway, just want to tell you guys, insurance can work out. You think the market's a little overbought, it's good to maybe buy some insurance and hedge your positions a little bit. So let's look at U.S. Steel. U.S. Steel's down to 1934, so my 22 call is certainly out of the woods for now. However, the $20 put is in trouble. I have a little while to work it out, but it looks like the back spread that I put on is gaining some value, so that's good. You can see it doesn't amount to the amount of losses, but it does minimize the damage, at least for now. So today, with the markets going the way they are, you can see there's a lot of red in the markets. Everybody's panicked. Everybody's selling. It's not a huge down day, but it's down a little. Beyond Meat, 130. That's terrible. Oh, Palantir, right? That's the one I wanted. I thought it was going to be red today for sure. I know Cathie Wood just picked up a bunch. She's pretty smart. So, see, I was going to pick up some here at, I was hoping to do 20. Okay, it looks like it's up today. That's okay. I'm still going to do a little trade on it. Trying to decide if I want to buy some insurance on the back spread. It's only a week away. It's not really going to go down that far. I like the stock. I'm not going to do anything more. I'm going to do 2. And it's gone all over the place, isn't it? And I'm also going to do a 23 actually. 22, 23. And I'm going to do 2. And I try to get the maximum I can here. Of course, it didn't go through. It's so volatile. Probably change the price as soon as I put it in. Well, it's all over the place, so it might have filled by now. Yep. Let's go look at positions. There it is. Alright, so I have 4, so that's 400 shares I'm controlling with 4 puts. And I'm okay with that for now. It's a good chunk of change. I'll take it. That's a 242 times 2, almost $500. So I do have some headroom for this thing to go up and down a little bit, and I'll still be okay. Let's see if that impacted my power. So I'm down to about $6,000 of option buying power. So, good thing it's almost Friday, and then we can switch accounts. Next week we'll be doing a different account, and we'll be managing these options, obviously, because they expire next week. So stay tuned for that, and stay tuned for more market news. Bitcoin's crashing, markets are crashing. Not sure really what's going on. People need liquidity, need cash for some reason. Bond rates aren't really moving that much. So, trying to figure out what's going on. Alright guys, stay tuned for more. Subscribe to my channel for the daily options trade. Thanks for watching.